friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up my Clean Mama routine for November in my plan paper vertical columns. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for November, I'm using this washi from Orange Umbrella Co. Kit 270. It's called Gentle. So it's this beautiful kind of warm folly colors here. I've got my guide to a clean home from the Clean Mama and her routine, and then I have all of my Saia planning scripts for my daily 5 tasks, my weekly tasks, and then the rotating task headers and the monthly task headers. So just to kind of give you a quick preview in the guide, let's turn quickly to the daily tasks, which are make the bed, wipe the counters, check the floors, declutter, and then do a load of laundry. So that's your daily 5 that you do every day. And then your weekly tasks are cleaning the bathrooms, dusting your furniture, vacuuming, washing your floors, or mopping. Catch all day, which is normally her Friday, to kind of do anything that you didn't do maybe during the week, or do one of your rotating or monthly tasks. And then sheets and towels. And then you have your rotating tasks, and for November, they are vacuum and wash baseboards, spot clean furniture, main bedroom light fixtures, wash rugs, polish wood furniture, wipe down appliances, clean vents, dust ceilings and corners, and spot clean walls. And then the monthly task or the monthly focus for November is the living areas. You're going to declutter, clean surfaces, clean your light fixtures and lamps, wash your window treatments, clean and fluff pillows and blankets, fresh start, thoroughly vacuum and wash floors if necessary, clean most touched areas like your handles, knobs, that kind of thing, remotes, phones, and then prepare is simply to add items to encourage family time and relaxation, like games, books, pillows, candles, etc. So first I'm going to start with laying down some washi, and I think I want to do this one here on top. It's kind of skinny, so I think I have to white out the top edge of this green here. Last weekend, it's still October. Last weekend I went around and I washed all of my baseboards when I was doing my vacuuming. So that's done. Oh, am I running out? There we go. That's better. Okay, let's put this little skinny piece down now. This is really pretty. I just love how muted this kit is. So do this one. Kind of hard for me to get up there in that little crease. And then let's do, could we do this dark one maybe? Or, yeah, let's do this dark one here. Do this one here. So I'm trying to get a lot of my November videos filmed so I have them and can just do editing and uploading as I go. And then let's do this one here. This is pretty. And then I'm trying to get ready. So November is going to be busy because I'm going to go back east to see Sophie. And then Emma's coming home for her birthday and for Thanksgiving. Sophie will go up north to her grandparents' house. And let's do this side, since it's too far for her to come home just for the weekend. And then let's do this one up top. And again, this is one of those skinny ones, so let me white off this top edge here. There's that. So I have my chores done for today, which is good. Gives me a chance to film. We also went to Costco early this morning. I like to go to Costco when they first open. Like, I'd rather just hold off on doing my chores and just go right away. So that's what we did. And then let me pull out, I have a couple of, for my D-stash, I have a bunch of little icons here that I want to use. So I have, ooh, this little bed is cute. And it kind of coordinates color-wise with the, I'm going to put this one here and then use all these little washing machines that I have here. I'm going to put this little guy over here. Cute. Okay, so that's that. And then let's put down, I have these Planner Kate basic labels. These are really old. I don't even know if she has these ones anymore. I am going to put these down as each of the weeks in the month. So there's that. I really struggled with writing these labels down. I kept writing the wrong numbers down. And I realized, okay, it's late. I'm going to bed. Like, clearly I'm too tired to do this. There's that. Oh, I need to do more washi. Clearly I'm too tired to be filming, friends. Okay, let's do this one. Or maybe I'll do, yeah, let's just do this one down here because it's kind of, let's see, actually I think, oh yeah, because I'm gonna need to go all the way across with this one because I have 5 weeks in November, so let me do this. I'll just go all the way across. There's that one, and then let's do this piece here because I really like this one. So let me white this out. I wasn't paying attention, friends. I've been watching lots of videos because I need to figure out what I'm going to do for my planners. And then Scott really wants me to move my filming location into the girls' playroom since they're both away at college now and technically don't need a playroom anymore. So I should do that. Oh, maybe I'll have Emma help me do that, like on Thanksgiving weekend when she's home, even though it's her birthday. We'll do her birthday, of course, but maybe she'll help her mommy with that. Okay, so there's that. So I think I have, now I've kind of got myself on track. Okay, now let's go down and I'm going to put all these daily tasks headers down. Oh, I hope I have more of these. 1, 2, maybe I have another set somewhere. If not, I'll just have to go without. I need to place, I keep saying I need to place an order with Saia and then I forget to do it. Okay, looks like I am completely out of those, so I'm going to have to write them in. Let me put this under here so I can write it down. So this will just give me an excuse for us to get together again because every time I order, we get together instead of her mailing them. Okay, so there's that. And then the daily tasks, let me put these down so you can see what that looks like. So it is make the bed, wipe the counters, and then check the floors. So I sweep in between vacuuming, like just kind of, especially now with the trees losing their leaves, we've got a ton of debris that gets tracked into the house, even with just it just being me and Scott and Otis. And then, oops, do a load of laundry. Okay, so those are the daily 5. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll put the rest of these down and then we'll come back. Okay, so I have all of the daily 5 down for each of the weeks. There's 5 weeks again. And then I just pulled one of my Tombos here. This is, what color is this? 990. And I have my Erin Condren stencil here. And I'm just going to draw in a bunch of these little boxes here. I think I'm going to color them. Let's see. Try to get this so that they're kind of straight. Okay, oh, I like the way that looks. I was trying to pick up kind of in this color family a little bit, the lighter ones. So let me go ahead, I'm gonna put the rest of these down and then we can come back and finish out. Okay, so I have the daily tasks all down and all of my little grids. So here's each of the weeks. And then now let's go into the weekly tasks. And as you know, if you've been following along, I do my weekly tasks a little bit differently than what the Clean Mama does, just because I do what works for my schedule and just kind of our household. So she normally would have you do the bathrooms on Monday, and I do my bathrooms on the weekend. Like, I do the majority of my cleaning on the weekends, even though this system is designed so that you don't have to do that. Okay, so I have all of the weekly headers down for the weekly tasks, and then I'm going to draw in or write in just sort of the day of the week. And if you've been following me, you know that I do mine a little bit differently. So here's what the weeklies look like for me. Monday is sheets and towels, so basically my linens. And then Tuesday night, I take out the garbage because our pickup is early Wednesday morning. And if you don't put it out the night before, you will miss it. Wednesday, Thursday, I don't really do anything other than the daily 5, just because it's crazy during the week. I never know when I'm going to be working late, going in early, that kind of stuff. And then dust and empty the fridge on Friday, so that my fridge is empty and clear for when I go do my grocery shopping on the weekend. And then vacuuming and mopping on Saturday, which is what I did today. I'm filming this on a Saturday. Sunday is pretty easy. I just scrub the bathrooms, which doesn't take long at all, especially with the girls being gone. There's really only one bathroom being used now. And then I water my plants, which is no big deal, and scoop Otis's poop in the backyard. Okay, let's put a little and sign there. So that's that. So let me go ahead and I will lay down the rest of these and we'll come back. Okay, so now I have all of the weeklies down. Let's make sure I put all my little and signs in there. So that's the first page. Here's the second page. And now that we're over here, I'm going to stick this back under here so I have something to write on. And then let's look at rotating tasks. I'm going to put this here. And then we'll do the monthlies while we're at it too. Put this here. And then let's pull the book and look at the rotating tasks. So again, for November, we're vacuuming and washing baseboards, spot cleaning furniture, we're washing the main bedroom light fixtures, washing rugs, polishing wood furniture, wipe down appliances, clean vents, dust ceilings and corners, and spot clean the walls. So these here, I'm just gonna write in. Sorry friends, I'm left-handed, so I gotta figure out how to get this book situated so I can see. So I'm just gonna put baseboards because that means, you know, do the whole thing. Baseboards, spot clean furniture, which I do all the time because of Otis. Like I just did the leather club chair the other day, spot clean furniture, and then main bedroom lights. We have an overhead fixture, and then I have one lamp on my bedside. Wash rugs. And then polish wood. I just did that for October last week too, I think. Okay, wipe down appliances. I just did that as well for October. I tend to get to these things like towards the middle of the month, middle to end. Wipe down appliances and then clean vents. That's a Scott job because I'm not going to be able to reach them, so hopefully he'll be home to do that. Dust ceilings. I usually get the vacuum. Dust ceilings. Sorry, can't write and talk at the same time. And corners. I was just doing that in my little mudroom area. We call it the mudroom. It's just basically a little entry into the kitchen from the side yard. Spot clean walls. Okay, so there's that. And then let's look again. Living areas was the monthly focus. So I'm going to put down here living areas. And then we always do a declutter. Mine is pretty minimal. Clean surfaces. I don't have a lot. Like, I don't have a lot of decor or knickknacks, that kind of thing. Light fixtures. And lamps. I have one lamp in the dining room. In the living room. And I dust that every time. Window treatments, we have shutters, so I'll wipe all those down. Window treatments, usually with like a damp cloth. Window treatments. And then clean and fluff. We don't have a ton of pillows, but whoops. And then fresh start. It's so hard to write in this book now that I'm clean most touched areas, kind of coming down to the end here. And then prepare. So I'm just writing the headers down, friends. And then I can, oops, I can refer back. I was gonna white that out, but since this is a green background, that's gonna look weird. Okay. Alrighty, so that's that. And I think that's good for November. So I have each of the weeks down, the rotating tasks, and I just check them off as I do them. The monthly focus again is the living areas, and then the beginning of the month. So that's it. I don't have a ton of deco. I just have these little icons that I put up here, and I am gonna call it good for November. Alrighty friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.